Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set a video on your YouTube channel as a premiere using the YouTube Studio application on mobile. So let us guide you through the step by step. So in the first step, launch the YouTube Studio app. Next, tap into content here at the bottom. And after that, go through a video library by tapping into view all here and select the video that hasn't been published yet. So you can do this only for a scheduled or privated video, one that hasn't been published yet. So let me go, for example, with that scheduled video here, tap into it. Next, tap into that pencil icon here at the top and tap into the given video's visibility status, which is scheduled, as you can see. So tap into it. And here at the bottom of that menu, you will see this video setting, set as premiere. Of course, it will be privated before publishing, guys. So be aware of that. So simply tap into set as premiere, and that's it. You don't need to save anything manually. This will then be applied automatically, guys, and that's how I do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.